So, hello college math students, let's follow these steps. Number 1 is gradient. Now this time we're not given the gradient, we're going to need to calculate it using that gradient formula. y2 take y1 over x2 take x1. So in this case that would be 8 take 2 over 2 take negative 1. Which gives 6 over 3, 2. So there's just that, this is exactly the same as in the previous video, but there's just this extra little bit of work at the start where we need to calculate the gradient. Okay, so step number 2 is to substitute. So y take y1, which was 2, equals the gradient 2 by x take x1, negative 1. So when we expand this, we get y take 2 equals, now 2 by x is 2x. Of course, negative negative makes positive here, so it's 2 by positive 1 gives 2. So we've expanded the brackets. And finally in step 4, this 2, negative 2, comes over and does the opposite, which is plus 2. So the final answer is y equals 2x plus, 2x plus 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, so you can pause the video at this stage and have a go at the next one, then I'll try it. Okay, I'll have a go at it now. So step 1 is to find the gradient. I'll just call gradient A this time. And we've got negative 1 take 2 over negative 3 take negative 9. So there's lots of negatives all over the place here. That's what makes this one a little trickier. So negative 1 take 2, negative 3. Negative 3 plus 9, 6. So negative 0.5. Okay, there's step 1 done. Step 2, substitute. Y take. Now remember we can pick either point. I'll go with the first point. Y take 2 equals negative 0.5 times x take negative 9. Which means in step 3 we get y take 2 equals negative 0.5x take, because negative negative makes positive, but then we've got negative 0.5 times 9, so negative 4.5. Then in step 4, that 2 comes over, so we've got y equals negative 0.5x take 4.5, just tidy that up, 4.5, and that negative 2 comes over and becomes plus 2. So final answer, y equals negative 0.5x take 2.5. Okay, now these can be tricky. They take some practice. You're going to have to try a few, and if you don't get the idea, get me to sit down with you and I'll go through them with you in real life. Righto, go and have a look at the description for the questions to try.